Welcome to Autosphere channel.
The sophisticated, factory-installed ABS gives you confidence in the saddle knowing your bike's going to behave when you need it. Specifically tuned and dialed in for the weight of the bike, the geometry of the frame, and the position of the rider. You'll experience a smooth ride and excellent handling when you encounter rough urban pavement. The blacked-out, liquid-cooled V-twin engine is built to conquer the hot and heavy traffic of urban streets. You can count on smooth response to the progressive throttle when you want to get through any hole that opens up in front of you. Sports an all-black 2-in-1 exhaust, black cast aluminum wheel, blacked-out front end with a café-inspired speed screen, and a chrome medallion made of steel on the fuel tank.